Hey, Bubbleman here today to talk to you about Fresh Heady's brand new product called the BubblebagLITES. The BubblebagLITES is a reply to the marketplace being created around the high-end original bubble bags, which I'll speak to you a little bit about later, which are pretty much one of the highest grade levels of extractors that you can purchase, warranty, lifetime, parachute thread, the whole 9 yards. We created a fairly expensive product that not everyone was able to afford into, so it created a marketplace where a lot of companies were selling cheaper, inferior bags. And unfortunately, in the corners that they cut to get those cheaper prices, the effects were felt by the end user in the lack of quality, in the lack of potential workability or usage. Sometimes the bag straight up didn't work. Sometimes the screens were in the wrong order. Sometimes the materials used were extremely cheap and threads came apart and other things came apart. So you basically ended up with a product that you were not inspired about. And so BubblebagLITES is a reply to that, a reply to the marketplace that's been created around the higher end Bubble Bags Original in order to release a product that the end user can afford, first of all, and be able to get into the world of water extraction, get into trying it and experimenting with it without breaking the bank. So today I want to talk to you first of all about the 5-gallon 8-bag kits. If you're familiar with bubble bags, we sell generally 8-bag kits in all our sizes, which are 1 gallon, 5 gallon, and 20 gallon. They all come with 8 bags, but we also do 4-bag kits. We've discontinued our 3s, but we sell individual bags so you can make any kit that you want. So back to these BubblebagLITES, 5-gallon. One of the first things I did right off the bat, I can show you, I have an original set of bubble bags here. This is a little bit of a more expensive fabric material. It's softer and thicker. This is quite a bit thinner. So right off the bat I thought, what a great way to cut costs. Still make it a carry case, still allow it to hold the bags, and so you can carry it, but cut the costs. It won't affect the quality of the end product that is being used to make with these bags. So that was step one. Step two, which was a fairly big step, if you're familiar with the original bubble bags, there's 8 colors. We got them right here, the originals. Blue, the 220 micron bag, the green 190 bag, the red 160 micron bag, the orange 120 micron bag, the black 90 micron bag, the yellow 73, the white 45, and the purple 25 micron. Fairly expensive to buy cloth for all those colors. It's a fairly exhaustive investment, and I was able to cut some corners and save a little bit of money with the BubblebagLITES. The main reason I did this, I was able to cut the colors down and only release 3 colors. So these particular, the lights are always going to be red, white, and blue. And those 3 colors in 8 bags will still represent these original colors. And how I did that was, if you notice, the work bag is a 220, and you can open it up. This one's actually inside out right now. I was using it. There's a band on the bottom of each bag, and the thread as well. You probably can't see it, but I have photos of this. The thread is blue, and the band on the bottom of the bag is also blue. So this blue band signifies the original work bag, which I just showed you in the original bubble bags, which is a 220 micron. So that's our 220 bag. We move into the next bag is a white bag. The next 4 bags are going to be white. That's going to be the 190 through to the 90 micron. And each one is going to have that same original piping of the original color. So the 190 original bag is green, green piping, green threading. Red for the 160, orange for the 120, black for the 90, and so on into the last 3 bags, which are blue. They're the 73, the 45, and the 25, so they're going to be yellow, white, and purple, which is according, it correlates. I always liked the bubble bags that it had both the micron sizes, but it also had the color coordinated thing. It was always a nice bonus, and it's for sure, people are still going to always want to, that are serious about the game, always go with the original bubble bags. But for those that really want to experiment and get into this game without affecting your end product, you're still going to make as nice of a product as you would with the bubble bag originals. You just won't be getting the lifetime warranty. So there's those in a nutshell. You're also going to be receiving 3 pressing screens. They come in these little books, pads, whatever, envelopes you want to call them, and you open that up and you'll have a 25 micron pressing screen with a band all the way around, and that folds in half, and that's how we dab the moisture out of the final product. So I didn't want to cut corners so bad that I gave you a lesser product, and that's why I'm still giving you 3 pressing screens, because it's a very important part of the process to dry it and to get it properly opened up. So I definitely was going to make sure that 3 of those went into every kit. All right.